Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Now you may have found this video because your F8x M2 3 or 4 has got a clicking noise coming from the front like this. The common cause of this problem is the pinch bolt that holds the hub to the shock on the front. And in this video I'm going to show you how to diagnose that and change it and fix that annoying little noise. First of all, we're going to need to diagnose the issue. Now the sound is normally heard when doing slow maneuvers or parking or dry steering like this. Now carrying out that little test there has confirmed that the noise is in fact coming from the bottom here where the pinch bolt is located. So let's get it up in the air, I'll get the wheel off and then I'll show you what's causing the issue. So the car's up in the air and the wheel is off, so let's turn the disc around and you can see what we're talking about. And that is this pinch bolt right here, and it's called a pinch bolt because it pinches the hub to the damper. This noise doesn't only happen from changing suspension components, it can just happen on its own over time, which is the case with this car. Now you can try and retorque the nut and bolt, which will give you a bit of a temporary fix, but the correct way to do it is to replace the nut and bolt. Now because we're going to be removing the bolt, there is a chance that the hub can drop, so you need to support it from underneath. Obviously I have the car on a ramp, so I'm going to be using a jack stand, but if you're doing it at home, you just use another jack underneath and support it with a piece of wood. Super simple to remove the old bolt, and the head of the bolt and the nut are both 16mm, so it's time to fit the new one in and torque it up. Now the crucial part to this fix is to make sure that the bolt is correctly torqued, which is 56 Newton meters, and this has to be done under load so that the hub doesn't fall off of the damper. So with the car back on the ground, it's time to redo the test. And that is that fault successfully diagnosed and fixed. Hopefully this video has helped you fix your car, but alternatively you can always bring it to us and we'll fix it for you. And if there's any other issues with your BMW that you'd like us to cover, then drop a comment below and we'll see what we can do for you.